Hi dolls, it's your girl Teshiamonique back again, and today dolls we are on vacation, and I thought what a great chance for me to share with you dolls some tips and tricks on things that take with you on vacation, just different ways to pack out and plan out your accessories. Okay, so what I wanted to do is just to show you what I've packed, what I brought with me for my trip this time when I'm in Miami and Palm Beach. So this trip was going to Florida. So some of the things that when you're traveling are going to stay the same. You may add, take away, but for the most part it's always going to be the same items. So for me that means that I'm always going to have my skincare items, and I'm always going to have my body products, and I'm also going to have my makeup items, of course, along with clothes and accessories and those sorts of things, sunglasses, perfumes. And what tends to work for me is just to have a system of how I'm packing stuff. That way I can keep track of what I have when I'm on vacation, but then getting ready for it, I know what I'm going to need. So I kind of think out. My process is kind of thinking out what I'm going to be doing, where I'm going to be going, what I'm going to wear, or what I'm going to need. And that way I can grab products, pull things, thinking about styling myself with a stylist background and how I used to pull looks for clients. I tend to style myself the same exact way. I think organization is the key, just making sure that you have your product and all of your items just laid out detail by detail. And then that also makes it really easy when you're packing to leave. You can have a little checklist of your things broken out by list, like sunglasses, which sunglasses am I taking, skincare, which items am I taking, makeup, you know, and just kind of have a systematic look at it. And then when you're leaving, it's easier to repack and make sure that you're not leaving anything behind or that anything has not come up missing in your stay. So for me, the things that are helpful are just having like little containers for your items. I think that makes it super easy, a lot more easy to pack. Clear little pouches or little bags, containers for products. But first of all, it's aesthetic, okay? I love things that are aesthetic, but also it just makes things look a lot neater, a lot cleaner, and then it's easier to see what you have, what you pack. And I think that just having the multiple sizes being really simple and just a lot neater. So I picked up these bags from Amazon. They definitely will be linked below, but I think that these are really nice and on the go as far as like travel. Really cute, but also these are good quality little bags. And I think for the two it's like $7.99 for a pack of two. So you definitely could get a few of these, like one for your jewelry, makeup, like what I have here, and then one for skincare. Like I have here. You could also put your makeup brushes in there. You could put your shower products, or you know, your body skincare type stuff, hair products. I mean, it's just, the possibilities are endless. Take your stuff out to unpack, then you can kind of lay it out a little bit better. And then that just helps to keep your vibe going and your aesthetic in your room or wherever you're staying. That's another thing, like we have so many designer items and stuff that we're buying now. So I like to repurpose my boxes and stuff, like my LV boxes. Those are like really good, sturdy quality. Here I have just an old Time Ford box that had sunglasses in it, and I'm using that for my makeup brushes, as you dolls can see. And this is just a really aesthetically pleasing, neat, organized way to carry your products. So that's just one idea that I have for you dolls. But you can also, like I said, get these little carry-alls from Amazon. And in here I just have all of my skincare. I really like to use the travel size skincare products, but then travel size products when you can. But as you can see, I do have some full size items in there because I just needed it and I didn't get a travel size, or maybe a travel size is not available. But for the most part, I have all of the Mario Badescu. These are all the smaller travel sized items. Also have miniature, the little Brazilian Bum Bum spray. This is the number 40 crush. I just have that in there. But yeah, and then I just have just all my toiletries, some little sample packs. These are also good for your travel. If you get any of those things from Sephora. I have a lot of my contact lenses. And so you can see everything in here. Really handy dandy and neat. Another travel organizer that I have is this one, which is the same set, but this one is the bigger of the two for all of my makeup. So you can see I have all of my makeup products in here. Lashes, concealers, highlighters, foundation, everything is in here, and it's just really convenient for me to keep track of everything. Put the brush up in here. The one with all my shower gels, and I like to get the travel sizes in these as well. I got these from Sephora, so they're super handy. I think like $10, which is really decent prices for your travel items. One that I have, and I'm absolutely loving this one, is this little case here, and this I'm using for my jewelry. Well, it's a jewelry organizer, and I got it off of Amazon, of course. What else is new? And this one is super cute because it lets me have all of my smaller like jewelry in it. I put all my earrings in here. Here's the organizer here. You open it up, and it's got two little sections. The top section you can do, you just have like these little hanging organizers across the top, which I think is really cool for, I put my larger size earrings on this side, but you could always like dangle your bracelets or necklaces off in here. And then this is just like a big, this is how it looks. I'll back up a little bit. And then this is just like a little pegboard or little board that has all the holes in it you can put your earrings in. So I put my Zara earrings in there just on the top because they're flat, and then you see the holes come through on the other side, the opposite side. And on here you can see the earring poking through from the Zara side. But I put my Fendi hoops here. They just kind of stuck in there, so that was neat, but I could definitely have added some more. Let's get into it. So down here I have my Valentino earrings here. I have a pair of my CC little earrings. I have all my dainty jewelry in this case, which I love because that's been my style lately. It's just more dainty, smaller earrings, but I like to, you know, still bring my little hoops, my bigger earrings up top. So that's kind of how I organized it. I have my Bottega dupes here from Amazon, and this little thing here, this little divider thing, you can take it in and out. But I have my silver CCs. I'm wearing the gold pair, so those were in here as well. What's going on here? Look like I lost a stud, or is it dirty? I don't know if I lost a stud or if it's dirty there in the middle. I have to see. But then I also have these Chanel kind of dangly earrings, which I love, but I don't wear them as much as I should. The Fendi earrings here at the top. Okay, and there's definitely so much more space, or more space just for more earrings, so I could have added more. I have these little YSL earrings as well in here, which I really do love these. It's got a little rope detail on them. Whoop, little rope detail on there. And I don't wear those as much as I should either, but I brought them along this time. Now I got these little sailor earrings that I think are so cute. These are vintage. I did thrift these, but I thought they would look cute with my white linen set if I end up wearing those. I may wear them tomorrow, but I have those in there. I have my LV hoop earrings, and there's a smaller pair, and then the smaller pair there, and then I have the larger ones there. I didn't end up wearing either one of those on this trip, but that had them just in case. I have my Christian Dior choker, and then my Christian Dior hoop earrings as well. It's in this little jewelry organizer, and the only thing is that when you do close it up or travel with it, when I opened it, of course everything I had to you'll have to readjust everything in there because it's not like set in stone. But I really love this organizer case because it's small, it's compact, it travels well, it stays closed, it holds everything in place, and I don't see any damage to my earrings, so that's definitely a plus. So that is another one of my organizers. Okay, another organizer that I have, and this one I keep with me all the time, and all of that stuff, is my pill organizer. And for pills, I mean my supplements. So I have all of my supplements in here, and this is just a really cute way to get your vitamins in. I've got my vitamin D, magnesium, multivitamins, iron, all of those sorts of things. And it's just really cute, folds up like that, and very convenient on the go. I have this little plastic one, which is another set that I got from Amazon. Came a bunch of these, and it's kind of black and then clear. But in here I have just my hair products. So I have a brush, a hot tool, which is my flat iron, some hair dye. I have my glasses in here, but this holds a lot. Now this big one I showed you those in my vlog, but this is a faux. This one holds a whole lot, and this is just my faux Chanel makeup bag that I got, I think from Amazon. I saw it and I was like, oh my god, that is so cute. I know it's not the real thing. I don't even know if Chanel makes a bag like this, but I thought it was so cute. Picked it up, and it just holds so much. This thing is so stuffed, but I've been using it for my perfumes and my sunglasses. All the perfumes in here. So Ebony Wood, True Amore from Zara, Chloe. I brought my Love Don't Be Shy. I keep these in the box so that the glass doesn't get damaged. Angel Share, of course. And look at that. So nice. And I got a couple of pairs of sunglasses here. Well, I got my YSL. I think I got my Louis Vuittons in here. Yeah, the Cyclone sunglasses. And I have my Betty sunglasses from YSL. In here I got my Blaze sunglasses, you know, just so I know. Not sure what the vibes are going to be, so I brought them all. But this bag holds so much. It also has this little, I don't know, places where you could put like makeup brushes, since it's essentially supposed to be a makeup bag. But it did come with a little CC logo. Don't come for me about the bag. I know it's not real, but like I said, I thought it was so cute. I couldn't resist it. And I think it's a perfect add-on to my... Alright guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you learned some new tips and tricks for packing, some new ideas. Everything will be linked below. Most of it is from Amazon. What else is new? And just be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment below. Let me know what you think of this video. And I will see you dolls in the next one. Bye. Mwah.